my channel, Emily's Kitchen. Today, I will share with you how to make mango sticky rice using my non-toxic cookware. So, here's our ingredients. We have glutinous rice, mango, a little bit of salt, condensed milk, and coconut milk. Okay, so now I'm cooking the sticky rice with coconut milk using my 4-quart roaster. Okay, so I am using today my 9-inch skillet, my non-toxic cookware. So I already preheated. So now we're just gonna mix all together. We're gonna make a sauce with our sticky rice. So coconut milk is in. And the condensed milk. So the good thing with this cookware, so it doesn't release a harmful chemical that will mix into your food because this one is non-toxic. So every time you use this one, it doesn't release a harmful chemical that will mix into your food. So every time you use this one, you get the natural flavor on your food and retains the vitamins and minerals on your food too. So it's good for the health. So if you want to own this non-toxic cookware, simply message me on my YouTube channel, Emily's Kitchen. So hello guys, this is the finished product of mango sticky rice. So I'm using my non-toxic cookware, which is the 9-inch skillet of Salad Master. First one. Please do subscribe, like, and share on my YouTube channel, Emily's Kitchen. Thank you guys. See you again next time.